Bikes looking pristine? That's a problem. Let's get them out to new trails and roads where they belong. Hey gang, it's your bud Scott here, and we're gonna blaze new trails with the HoldUp from Yakima. If you love your bikes almost as much as you love your friends, this rack's for you. It securely mounts your bikes without touching the frames, and there's no bike-to-bike interference. Let's check it out. Out of the box, it comes with 2 bike trays and a base. You can choose from a 2-inch hitch model or a 1 1/4 inch. Assembly is a snap. No bag of pieces, just remove the hardware and insert the base into the hitch receiver. Then insert the hitch bolt from right to left and tighten with the included wrench. Secure the base with the safety clip and hitch lock. Alright, now that we have the base installed, rotate it up by pulling the spring pin and lifting until it snaps into place. Install the first tray to the base, aligning the holes in the tray to the slots in the base. Installing bolts and washers with the included Allen wrench. Make sure the trays are open and the first tray has its wheel strap to your right and pivot arm to your left and facing out. Then install the second tray, same as before, this time making sure the wheel strap is to your left and pivot arm to your right, reverse of the first tray. When not in use, always fold the HoldUp in the upright position. Fold the wheel trays inboard and rotate the pivot arms down as shown. When you're ready to load bikes, simply pull the spring pin and fold it down until it snaps into place. To load your bikes, get the heaviest bike on first, putting the front wheel on the pivot arm side. Rotate the pivot arm up until the hook rests on the bike tire 1 inch or less from the fork. Secure the hook by pressing down firmly. Secure the rear wheel with the wheel strap, threading the strap through the spokes, then ratcheting it down through the buckle. Then load the second bike, same as the first, but in the opposite direction. You can adjust the tray position by loosening the bolts and sliding either tray left or right to keep bikes from hitting each other. There! In less than 15 seconds, you've loaded your bikes. Need access to the rear of your car? The HoldUp tilts down for easy rear hatch or trunk access. To secure bikes to the HoldUp, lock them up with the integrated locking cable. Got more Yakima gear? You need our SKS Same Key system. It replaces all your Yakima lock cores, so you only need 1 key for everything. There's the HoldUp. It fits up to 2 bikes, any kind you like, from downhill to BMX, carbon road bikes, cruisers, and more. To get up to 4 bikes on there, check out our HoldUp Plus 2, sold separately, and available for the 2-inch hitch model only. All that's left to do is pop open a cold one on the integrated bottle opener, because you earned it. Gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.